Hi guys, I'm ChongTzeWee and my teammate is Weiping. So we are from Ta UC Penang Branch Campus and we are from Year 2 RST Group 2. So today I will sharing my computer networking fundamental assignments. So the assignment has required we design the network topology and the networkings. So the assignment has consist of 4 locations in our network topology design, which is location A, the production department, location B, the admin office, the HR department, and the accounting department. And location C is the sales department, and location D is a warehouse. So every location has handled by their own switch, especially for the location B. Because our location B have 3 departments, so we decide to use the 3 switch to handle of these 3 departments. So for example, the location A, we have the 5.1 millions of the PC. So we use the 4 PC to represent this amount of PC. And especially for the location D, we have 602,000 PC and 11 network printer. So we use one printer to represent this kind of number of printer and 3 PC to represent this kind of PC. So according to our network design, we use the star topology design. Okay. The star topology design is simple and easily to install. So as you guys can see, as a fundamental of the network design, we use the star topology method to design our network topology. So the star topology is simple and easy to install. So the main reason why we're using the star topology is because this method has allowed us to prevent the network interruptions. For example, fuck. As you guys can see, this is our fundamental of the network topology design. So we decide to use the star topology to design our net topology. So the star topology is simple and easily to install. So besides, the mainly reason why we're using the star topology is because the star topology allow us to prevent the network interruption. So for example, if one cable of one device is suddenly down or not working, it will not affect another device and also the switch. So the another device can continue function at all. So this is the main reason why we're using the star topology design. So after understanding why we're using the star topology design, I will present a subnet table. Subnet table has include the location, the number of host requirement, the prefix, the subnet address, and the usable host. So for example, you guys can see the location A, which is the production departments. That is included by 5.1 million of the hosts. So we need to time 1.4 because the organization requirement, the largest subnet have growth 41%. So this is the result after we calculate. And the prefix is according to the result of the host. And the following also is same. So we use the class A to calculate the address. So we need to start from 10.0.0.0. So after we according the prefix to calculate the subnet address, as you guys can see, this is 10.128.0.0 and the location A is 10.0.0.0, which means the amount between this subnet address is represent as the usable host, which means by 10.0.0.1 and until 10.127.255.254 is an available usable host. So this kind of IP address is allowed to assign this kind of number of hosts or requirement for the location A. So we use this formula to calculate all the subnet address by these departments. So this is all the information we calculate. So next, I will pass to Weiping to sharing their address table and the pin connectivity. Thank you.
Hi, Miss. I'm Weiping, and now I will talk about the addressing table. And this is our addressing table. So here, this table have our location, device, interface, IP address, subnet mask, and also default gateway. And for the first location, which is location A, production department, we use the router as our device and using the fast Ethernet as our interface, and then we assign the IP address, which is 10.0.0.1. And then where we get this IP address, we get from the subnet table, which we get from here, from the first usable host as our IP address. And subnet mask, this subnet mask I get from the reference table, which is at online, which is can get it at online. And then for the second, I same the location, which is a location A. We use the S1 as our device, so which is switch 1, and then VLAN 1 as our interface, and then we assign the IP address the second host, which is a 10.0.0.2, and then subnet mask is same. And then for our location A2, for our PC part, and then we take the example, which is PD PC1, production department PC1 as our device, and then we use the NIC, which is network interface card, as our interface. And then we assign the IP address for is a third host, which is a 10.0.0.3, and then fourth, fifth, and sixth. So according to the Cisco packet tracer, we design this from the according to the addressing table. Like just now I say, router 0 is our first usable host, and then this one is second, switch 1, second usable host, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So other location also same. And then now I will talk about the connectivity, pin connectivity with different location. Like we take an example, we get a PC1, we go to the command prompt. So if let's say we want to pin to the location B, switch 2. So we can here type the pin, and then we can get from here, which is 10.128.0.2. 128.0.2. So if let's say we receive 4, so which means we get a 4 message. We receive all the message from the PC1 at location A, from the location A. So which means this pin connectivity is successful, and then for other PC also same. So thank you, Miss. This is our presentation. One.